All right, here we are for another version of
Rare Find Friday.
Rare Find Fridays. You know what's really rare?
What is that, Scott?
Finding a dealership where all of the staff actually not only believe in their product, but they drive it.
That is very true, Scott. And you know what? We are a true testament to that.
We certainly are. We have 9 people on our sales team, and we have 7 people driving Jeeps.
That is true. Yep. As you can see behind us are a wide array of Jeep products that, everybody on our sales team, managers, finance office, right? We all drive them. We love them. This here's Kevin. He's one of our sales associates. What have you got, Kevin?
2021 Jeep Gladiator Willys Edition.
Ooh, how many kilometers?
10,000.
Wow, look at that. Moving down the line. Alrighty, and here we've got Jen. Jen is one of our finance managers. Jen, what have you got?
I have a 2021 4xe.
Wow, and how many kilometers on it?
6,500.
Holy molies. Moving on down the line to our general sales manager, Scotty Robb.
Yeah.
What have you got, Scott?
I got a 2012 Jeep Wrangler Sport Unlimited 4-door with 285,000 glorious kilometers.
Holy guacamole.
This baby's been through everything.
There we go. Tried and true. And then here we've got Billy, another one of our sales associates. What have you got, Bill?
I got a 2008 Sahara Unlimited with 251,000 kilometers on it.
Holy moly. There we go. And Steven.
I've got a 2018 Wrangler JK with 2-door with a 3-inch lift, 33s on it, and it's got 52,000 kilometers on it.
Very nice. Here we've got our other finance manager, Richard. Richard, what have you got?
I've got a 2009 Jeep Wrangler Rocky Mountain Edition
Ooh.
with only 134,000 kilometers on it.
Wow, you hear that, folks? Okay, and moving on down the line to me, Ebony. I drive a 2004 Jeep TJ, and this bad boy's got 417,000 kilometers on it and still going. It's got the 4-liter Street 6. This thing is invincible. So as you can see, we have a long line of Jeeps that all of our staff members drive. They're tried and
We're all on a place.
they're tried and true. You've got brand new ranging down to pretty much dirt old.
So don't forget,
Everything we do.
it's driven by us.